Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to be discussing 10 business ideas that can be started easily using GPT-3. The goal of this video is to inspire you to take action and create something amazing using the power of GPT-3 technology. Idea 1: Chatbot development. Create custom chatbots for businesses, helping them automate customer support and sales. With GPT-3, chatbots can understand and respond to natural language inputs more accurately. Idea 2: Content generation. Generate unique and high-quality content for websites, blogs, and social media platforms. GPT-3 can write articles, create posts, and generate captions, making content creation faster and more efficient. Idea 3: SEO optimization. Optimize websites for search engines by using GPT-3 to generate meta descriptions, headings, and other important SEO elements. This can help websites rank higher in search results and drive more organic traffic. Idea 4: Language translation. Develop a language translation app or service using GPT-3, making it easier for people to communicate with each other regardless of their language. Idea 5: Virtual writing assistant. Create a virtual writing assistant that uses GPT-3 to help people write emails, letters, and other important documents. This tool can be especially helpful for non-native speakers. Idea 6: AI-powered financial advisor. Develop an AI-powered financial advisor that uses GPT-3 to help people make informed investment decisions. This tool can provide personalized advice based on a user's financial situation and goals. Idea 7: AI-powered legal advisor. Develop an AI-powered legal advisor that uses GPT-3 to help people navigate the complex world of law. This tool can provide personalized advice and answer common legal questions. Idea 8: AI-powered health advisor. Develop an AI-powered health advisor that uses GPT-3 to help people make informed decisions about their health. This tool can provide personalized advice based on a user's symptoms, medical history, and lifestyle. Idea 9: AI-powered career advisor. Develop an AI-powered career advisor that uses GPT-3 to help people find their ideal career. This tool can provide personalized advice based on a user's skills, interests, and experience. Idea 10: AI-powered recruiting agent. Develop an AI-powered recruiting agent that uses GPT-3 to help companies find the best candidates for open positions. This tool can automate the recruiting process, saving time and resources for businesses. These are just a few of the many business ideas that can be started easily using GPT-3 technology. The possibilities are truly endless, and the future of AI is exciting. I hope this video has inspired you to start your own GPT-3 powered business. Thank you for watching.